All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So offshore. Yeah. Not in this country. Yeah, offshore. Not in this country. The factory went offshore to Mexico. The oil rig is offshore. Yeah, it's right there. Here is the shore, like the coast. The coast is offshore, away from the land. Here is the coast. Yeah, it is offshore and away from the land. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I'm going to go offshore and I will be online more. I want to move my businesses offshore, so anything, so I can save whatever. Yeah. We went offshore last week. Yeah, we shipped it. We shipped the gold offshore last week. Yeah. Those are offshore accounts. How cool is that? Yeah. I'm arranging some offshore transport. Some transport to take us offshore to go anywhere, to go across the sea. We need some offshore transport that can take us to the anywhere, to the island. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Soon we will go offshore and away from here. Go offshore and away from here. Yeah. When they are offshore, we will know what to do. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use offshore in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.